Recently, I've had a lot of people come to me to inquire about how to place an order on Temu. Please note that I am not a Temu influencer. There is nothing like that. I'm making this video for the purpose of teaching people how to navigate Temu and how to place an order there. Remember, I once posted about my first order there, and just yesterday I posted about the second order I also got there. So it drew a lot of attention both to my comment section and to my inbox, and I even have some people requesting that I help them place a Temu order, but I'm not gonna do that because navigating Temu is actually as easy as ABC. It is very simple. So this video will teach you exactly how to do that. And before you continue with this video, please make sure that you already have a Temu account. If you do not have one, please pause the video and go create one right now. If you want me to send you my invite code, I could also do that. But remember, I am not influencing for Temu. I'm just teaching you how to navigate the app and how to place an order successfully there. Let's go. So when you create your Temu account, the first thing you want to do is to open the Temu app. So when you open that, okay, let's assume what do I want to get now? What do I need? Okay, I assume I need a LED 360 light. Sorry, a LED 800 light and the tripod. Okay, you see what I did now? I just typed on the search menu right here, LED 800 Pro light and tripod. It will even help you to populate a lot of search results that are similar to that. Then you just click on search. Then you begin to see a lot of things. Yeah, you see a lot of things right here. So what I normally do is, okay, let's say this Zomi light, this one that I just clicked right now. Let's say it piqued my interest. What I will do is, after clicking on it, I will scroll downwards to see how many reviews it has. This one has 4.7 reviews. That is 4.7 star reviews. And I will click on that to open it. Then I'll go downward to read the reviews that people are giving about this particular product. I'll read all of their reviews, and most importantly, I like to check for photos and videos from other people that have gotten this particular product or any other product that I want. Okay, look at, I like this video. Yes, I like this video review. And I also like this one. You see, this is a nice product and it is exactly what they advertise. If I want to buy this, I am definitely adding this to my cart right now. So the importance of reading reviews, both written and photo plus video review, is to enable you make the right choice. Please make sure not to skip this part. So I like what I see about this product. What I will do right now is to go ahead and click on add to cart. With Temu, everything is usually free shipping. You don't pay for shipping, it is usually free. So I will add this to my cart, and they are even giving a 20% off on the product. You can see the original price of the product is 74,058 naira, but because there is a 20% off, it is now 56,611 naira. I'll go ahead and add this to my cart right now. It has automatically been added to my cart. This is my cart up here. I already have like 57 things in my cart. Then I will go back because I still want to buy more things. I will go back and search for what do I search for? Okay, let's say I want to buy non-stick pan, non-stick cooking pot set. Yes, so I searched for that and it came up with multiple options. Can you see that there is multiple options of non-stick pan yet? Yeah, so what you just have to do is to go through the app, through the options, then choose the one that pique your interest. Okay, let's say I am interested in this green one right now. I will click on it. Then what will I do? I will go to reviews because I want to see what other people are saying about this product. It already has 4.6 star review. Then I want to see what others are saying about this. Okay, look at this one. This person posted the okay, this is nice. This is nice. Maybe I already like this already, and let's see what they also have to write about it. Don't just look at picture, look at written words too. Okay, let's say I like this one. It has a good review. I will go ahead to add it to my cart. I'm taking just one, add to cart. Okay, let's buy something else that requires sizes. Okay, let's say I am buying bra. I am buying bra for ladies right now. Click on bra for ladies. Okay, let's say I want this particular one, this black one. What I'll do is to click on it, and read other people's review as usual. Please do not skip this part. And I usually like products that has reviews from Nigerians. I usually like to read reviews from Nigerians. Okay, look at this person right now. Look at the picture review. You see the bra is so good. It's so good according to what these people are saying. You see, even from the picture. Okay, let's say I want to buy this bra now because I love the reviews and the pictures that I've seen. I will select an option because this has to do with size. It has to do with size, so you have to be careful so that you can get the perfect sizing for you. So look at the size guide, click on this size guide. So it will open up to this. So normally I wear size 36C. That is what I wear, size 36C, and that is it right here. That is 79 to 83 on the bust. So you just know your size. When you know your size, when it comes to wears, you won't make mistake on Temu. So I already saw my size is 36C, that, or 80C. I'll go back. Okay, this is it. Click on 36C. This is my size. I will add it to cart right now. You see, it is that simple. So I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long. Let's proceed to checkout. So you go to cart, this green thing here. You go to your cart, then you click on it. Okay, you know I already have a lot of things in my cart. I have like 86 things in my cart right now. So but let's click on the 3 things that I just selected now. I'm not buying everything here. So typically it will usually select everything for you, but because you want to buy something specific, what you will do is you will come to this all and unselect everything. So let's select just these 3 that I picked right now. 1, 2, 3. And it is totaling 301,612 naira. Can you see the price down here? And they say that there is a discount. It's supposed to be 467,000, but because of the discount, it is now 301,612 naira. So I will click on checkout. When you click on checkout, it will I already have my debit card here. I already have my debit card in Temu. So, but since yours is a new account, or even if it's an existing account, but you've never placed an order, what you will do is to go to select payment method. Then you will go ahead and add, because, or you can also pay with OPay. For people that use OPay, you can pay with your OPay. Understand? So my card is already here. Let's say I want to pay now. I will just click on my Visa card and I will click on submit order. When I click on submit order, I will be debited. And even if you want to pay with bank transfer, look at it. Click on bank transfer. You see? So it is actually as simple as that. And make sure your address is correct too, and your phone number. Just make sure everything is correct when you are placing an order. So that is that. If you have any other question, you can ask me in the comments.